Well, with the American motocross SMX, whatever you want to call it, season over so far, we look to the last round of the MXGP season and the two, maybe three title contenders, however you want to say it. Going into the final round, you have Jorge Prado in first at 943, Tim Gajser in second at 936, and Jeffrey Hurlings in third at 895 points, respectively. Now, technically, if both Prado and Gajser don't finish a race and I guess Hurlings wins, he will win the title by what? Like maybe 3 points, 2 points, something like that. I don't know. But more than likely, you're going to be between Prado and Geiser. And well, then who knows? Maybe we see Prado come on over. Obviously, he spent a good time in or good amount of time racing Supercross last year. And I don't actually know if anybody has heard anything, if he's like, if it's a full plan for him to come over here. I think the rumor was to move over here and be on Kawasaki, but I don't know about that for sure. That's for future plans. As far as this goes, this is going to be an exciting race. Obviously, Hurling's one of the best ever to do it. Geiser and Prado right up there with him at this point, and with them so close in points, what 7 points between them? This is going to be a close race. That's the difference between what a first and a second. One place is going to determine this. And if you're Prado, basically finish ahead of Geiser. Doesn't matter if it's 21st, 19th, or whatever it is. As long as you're ahead of him, you're going to win. Geiser obviously needs some help here. He can go 1-1, and I think still the points are going to be pretty close if, Prado went 2-2. I don't actually know the exact math on this, but it's gonna be fun, exciting. I like MXGP. I like seeing the very different tracks from around the world. They're all very different, very well designed, or very differently designed. Um, all the soil is different. The culture, it's a cool, different thing to, I guess, compared to over here. But I don't know. I'm excited for this. I'm going to be watching it as much as I can, or as much as I can find of it. Um, but yeah, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who do you think wins? Prado, Geiser, Hurlings. Everyone else is very much out of the points. But tell me what you think. Comments down below. Have you been watching MSGP throughout the year? Is it something you watch normally? Is this something that you'll just be watching because obviously the American side of dirt bike racing at the moment is over? Or is it something you've gotten into? But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.